Welcome. Today we are focusing on the listen and repeat task, an essential exercise for your TOEFL speaking fluency. You will hear several sentences and must repeat them exactly as they are spoken. Because there is no preparation time, you must listen intently and react immediately. Let's work on your precision and rhythm to ensure you sound natural and confident. If you want to master more TOEFL speaking strategies like these, be sure to subscribe to myTOEFL. Let's keep working together to reach your goal score. Student Club Fair. A student leader is speaking, so expect a helpful and direct tone as they explain how to join campus organizations. Now, let's look at the exact sentences you will hear and break down the best strategies to remember and repeat them perfectly. You should sign up for the student newsletter today. The next general meeting will be in room 410 at 5:30 tomorrow. This sentence contains specific data. Visualize the location room 410 and the time 5:30 tomorrow as one information block. Be careful to pronounce the numbers clearly to maintain accuracy. The club fair is held in the main square. This is a simple statement, so focus on the prepositional phrase in the main square. Keep a falling intonation at the end of square to sound definitive. Please take a brochure from the registration table. Group the action "take a brochure" with the location registration table. Ensure you clearly articulate the H sound in brochure for high-quality pronunciation. All membership fees must be paid by the end of October. The phrase "must be paid" is the core requirement here, so emphasize those words. Don't let the sentence trail off before you reach the end of October. If you want to join, please talk to the president of the club. This sentence has a natural break. Pause slightly after "want to join." Then, finish strong by clearly identifying the president of the club. Please do not leave your bags in the walkway area. Focus on the negative command "do not leave" to capture the speaker's intent. Pay close attention to the compound noun walkway area to ensure both words are distinct. To succeed in the listen and repeat task, always prioritize the natural rhythm and stress of the sentence over individual words. If you forget a minor detail, keep speaking with confidence to maintain your fluency score. Consistent practice with these short bursts of information will sharpen your auditory memory for exam day.